I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, where Korean gets one rung easier.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 오늘도 쉽고 자연스럽게 같이 배워요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. Today we name parts of the face and head simply and clearly.
Real question. In English, hair and head are different, but I keep hearing 머리 for both. So is 머리 my head, my hair, or both?
좋은 질문이에요. 머리 can mean head, and in many everyday sentences, it can also mean hair. Context tells you which one.
Today we focus on the body parts. 머리, 얼굴, 이마, 볼, 귀, 입, 이, 입술, 목.
So today I can point and say, this is my ear, this is my mouth, and my neck hurts?
맞아요. The key pattern is very simple. 이거는 제 blank예요. In English, this is my blank.
And for pain or discomfort, use blank, 이 or 가 아파요. In English, my blank hurts.
먼저 머리. 머리 means head here. 머리가 아파요 means my head hurts.
머리가 아파요. That sounds like something I might actually need.
Next, 얼굴. 얼굴 means face. 이거는 제 얼굴이에요 means this is my face.
얼굴 has 받침 리을 at the end. So we say 얼굴이에요, not 얼굴이에요.
이거는 제 얼굴이에요. Okay, after a final consonant, 이에요.
이마 means forehead. 이마 has no final consonant, so 이마예요 sounds natural.
볼 means cheek. You may also hear 깸, but 볼 is easy and common for cheek in basic vocabulary.
볼, like, 이거는 제 볼이에요.
좋아요. 볼 has final 리을, so 볼이에요. Nice.
귀 means ear. Because 귀 ends with a vowel sound, say 귀예요.
귀가 아파요 means my ear hurts. Since 귀 has no final consonant, use 가.
귀가 아파요. Not 귀 아파요. Right?
Right. No final consonant. So 가. 귀가 아파요.
입 means mouth. Be careful. 입 is mouth. And 입술 means lips.
So 입 is the opening the mouth. 입술 is the lips.
입 has final 비읍, so 입이에요. And in natural pronunciation, 입이에요. Links smoothly.
이 means tooth and also teeth, depending on context. 이가 아파요 means my tooth hurts or my teeth hurt.
Wait, 이 is just one tiny syllable? 이가 아파요.
입술 means lips. 입술 has final 리을. So 입술이에요.
목 means neck and also throat in everyday Korean. 목이 아파요 often means my throat hurts.
So, 목 can be the outside neck or the throat inside. 목이 아파요.
Now listen to a short natural dialogue. Notice how the same words work for naming and for saying something hurts.
준호 씨, 어디가 아파요?
목이 아파요. 그리고 귀도 조금 아파요.
그래요? 물 좀 마셔요.
네, 고마워요.
I heard. 어디가 아파요? Where does it hurt, then? 목이 아파요. And 귀도 조금 아파요.
맞아요. 도 means too or also. 귀도 조금 아파요 means the ear hurts a little too.
Try after me. 머리,
머리,
좋아요. Now 얼굴.
얼굴,
Now say the full sentence. 이거는 제 귀예요.
이거는 제 귀예요.
다는 듯이 완벽해요. Now one more. 목이 아파요.
목이 아파요.
Common mistake time. English speakers often try to say 제 목이 아파요 for my throat hurts. That is okay. But in Korean, we often drop 제 when it is obvious.
맞아요. 목이 아파요 already means my throat hurts in normal context. Korean does not always need my.
So, if I'm talking about myself, 귀가 아파요 can mean my ear hurts even without 제.
Exactly. But for pointing and naming, 제 is useful. 이거는 제 귀예요. This is my ear.
Another small catch. 이 means tooth, but 이거 means this thing. 이가 아파요 is tooth hurts. 이거가 아파요 sounds like this thing hurts.
Right. 이가 아파요. Tooth hurts. 이거가 아파요 would be weird if I mean my tooth.
Quiz. You are at a clinic and you want to say your throat hurts. Which sentence is the most natural?
I'm choosing A. 목이 아파요. B has 제 and 은. But maybe it sounds like as for my neck, it hurts. C is lips.
정답은 A예요. 목이 아파요 is the natural sentence. In this context, 목 usually means throat, and you do not need 제.
B is grammatical in some contrast situations, but 제 목은 아파요 sounds like you are contrasting your throat with something else. Not the normal first choice.
So for pain, body part plus 이 or 가 plus 아파요. For naming, 이거는 제 body part 예요 or 이예요.
정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 머리는 head and sometimes hair. But today remember the body part meaning head.
둘째, 얼굴, 이마, 볼, 귀, 입, 이, 입술, 목. In English, face, forehead, cheek, ear, mouth, tooth or teeth, lips, neck or throat.
셋째, 이거는 제 귀예요. 이거는 제 얼굴이에요. In English, this is my ear. This is my face. Use 예요 after no 받침 and 이예요 after 받침.
넷째, 목이 아파요. 귀가 아파요. 이가 아파요. In English, my throat hurts. My ear hurts. My tooth hurts. In Korean, 제 is often omitted when the owner is clear.
Today's keeper sentence is 목이 아파요. Small sentence, very useful.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 목이 아파요. Remember this one sentence today. My throat hurts.
Next time we climb one rung higher with 조금 아파요 and 많이 아파요. A little and a lot. Thanks for listening to Korean Ladder.